when two intersecting lines are intersected by a transversal, we also get co-interior angles, or we also get angles which are called as angles in the same side of transversal. Now, in this video, my students Rahul Dole of class 9 standard, Veda Bodke of class 9 standard, Yash Chaudhary of class 9 standard show you the co-interior angles. Who will show first? Done? Rahul Done, will you show that? Yes. This model, that line CD, line EF are intercepted by line AB at points G and H. Now there are four interior angles. Rahul, can you show?
Yes, sir.
Yes, please show.
CGH and EHG are the pair of co-interior angles.
Yeah, you can see here, they are also called as interior angles on the same side of transversal because they lie inside at the one side of the transversal, and they are also within the two parallel lines. So this letter is represented here. It looks like a letter U. So with the help of this, you can very easily find out co-interior angle. Vedant, is co-interior angle that you can see here? Yes, please. Tell me, which are those?
DGH, FHG.
Yeah, you can see here DGH and FHG. So it represents a pair of co-interior angle. So if I keep it here, very easily you can trace out a pair of co-interior angles. They are also called as angles on the same side of transversal because you can see here that green line represents the transversal. Inside here only we can see that they lie inside the same side of transversal. They are also called as co-interior angles or angles that lie on the same side of transversal. The sum of these two angles is always 180 when the lines are parallel. So, with the help of this device, we can very easily find out co-interior angle.